Hi everybody. Sometimes you may have a lot of layers, and if you want to scroll down to open some properties in each layer, you may choose, for example, this layer, scroll down, and you want to work on the opacity of this layer, and then move to the another layer, scroll down the opacity. As you can see, if you have many layers, you may get confused. How can we move and open properties easily? In fact, it's very easy. The first solution, you can select the timeline, then press the tilt key. Here you expand the panel to the full screen. You see all the layers. What if you find that you have a lot of layers and you can't open all the properties and see them to compare between them? There is another wonderful solution here, which is the search box. I can search for opacities. For example, as you see, the After Effects opens each opacity property in the project. What if I say color? It opens each color effect in all layers. It shows me some effects and hide other effects. This helps me to work very easy and quick in After Effects, not confused by scrolling down the effects. Don't forget to clear this filter after finishing using it. You can search also for problems. You can search for missing effects, missing fonts. As you can see, you can search for missing effects. There's no missing effects, so you can work on the problem and fix them very easily. To access the dialog box very quickly, you can click Ctrl F. If you press U, you expand the properties which you have animation in. If you press UU, you expand all the properties that you have worked on. You can close them again by pressing UU. You can close them again by pressing U. Finding the exact property you want to work in, opening multiple properties in multiple layers is very important to work faster. Not be confused by the number of layers and number of effects properties you are working on. See you next lesson.